I've spent 2 weeks looking for an AI video generator for free and unlimited, and that's when I found these four I'm going to tell you about, because I've already tested all of them myself. But first of all, just as I take my time to make a video with this information for you, please also take at least 5 seconds to subscribe and like, and go to the comments and write ready. Whether you have a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop, don't worry, the steps are all the same. Let's start with the first one. Go to your browser and type Meta AI and search. Right there is their first link. Click on it and you'll immediately arrive at their site. However, if it's your first time creating an account, it's not hard. Here they ask you, what are you thinking? But what you need to know is that Meta AI first creates an image, and then you quickly click on animate, and it turns into a video. You'll immediately click here on create video. But first, I'm going to write a prompt. No need to struggle, just go to an AI assistant like ChatGPT to create a prompt for the video you want to make. Like here, I told it, like a person running very fast, scared and screaming. It gave me 4 ideas. Let me copy the first one and paste it here on my site. Then the next thing you do is click on generate. Done. Once it has created the images for my video, you immediately click on animate, and it starts turning it into a video. Done. Just look at that. You can really use this Meta AI for many videos like 3D animations and others. However, it doesn't have sound. When you want to add it, you click on your video, and right here where it says add music, you click there, and then you can choose the music you want to put in your video. So without wasting time, let me take another prompt and copy it too. A group of boys and girls lounging and playing soccer on a school playground, and I click generate. There are the images. It has just created them. I'm telling you, for people who make storytelling videos, this video I made for you will help you get short clips to use. Then you look closely at your images. When you find the one you like, you can click on animate. Done. The video is made. And for the others, that's how you do it. Here I did one of a gorilla and a boy staring at each other, but the boy is very scared. You copy and then paste here, putting in your idea, then click generate. Look at the images it created for me, and it's for free. Then you choose the one you like and click on animate. That's how you do all of them. Now let's go to the second site, but remember to like the video and subscribe. And in the comments, I want you to tell me something. You go to your browser and search for the one called Gemini Jen AI. Here it is, and you click on it. You see here they tell you create stunning videos with AI in seconds. But if you look up here, they show you that we have 10 credits. But don't worry about that. If we click right here, you see that this VO3.1 Fast is free, as well as this Grok 3. But for us, let's use this VO3.1 Fast because it is unlimited. Here we take our unchanging prompt idea of a person running very fast, scared and screaming again. We copy it and we come and put it here in our website. As you can see, we used VO3.1 Fast, which is free and unlimited. Here you choose the frame ratio. I chose 16:9 because that's for YouTube videos, and the resolution. Here you can choose 720p and 1080p. You are allowed both, in a duration of 8 seconds. Then you immediately click on generate. They will first tell you to verify you are human. Once you finish that, our video starts being created. Done. Take a look for yourself. Let's go to the third site. They call it Dign AI. Here it is. As soon as we enter it, here I've copied my prompt again, and coming back here, they show you that it's a free account, but they gave us 300 credits, and one video takes only 20 credits. You understand that you can make many videos with this. And also here it has Seedance 2.0. If we click here, they show you that Real Motion 3.2 Turbo is free and also has audio. If we click on it and put our prompt in, look, here is Seedance and GPT image and many others. And after we click generate, our video starts. Done. It has started. So for the others too, that's how you will do them. Now we are going to the last one. That one is called Siphon Creative Studio. You go to your browser and search for Siphon Creative Studio. Then you'll see this is the first link and you click on it. This is how it looks. It works too, and it has a free plan that is unlimited. So if you have reached the end, I think you have understood everything. What I would tell you is take 5 seconds and subscribe, because on this channel, you will always find many great things. In the comments, tell me what other video I should prepare for you next time. My name is Fred. See you in the next video.